I want to be an assistant healthcare practitioner.
I want to work in healthcare management.
I want to be a nurse.
At East Durham College,
I feel like we have so much resources.
I can maximise my opportunities.
we get to demonstrate our abilities and to build our confidence.
Health and Health Science at East Durham College is a bespoke offering and aligned with industry in the region.
We work with industry to shape our curriculum and ensure that our students have the best quality skills that they need to start their journey.
And give businesses options around CPD and upskilling their workforce.
We have a range of routes in Health and Health Science.
They can start from a level 2 and they can move all the way up to level 3.
To T-level health, at level 4 and 5, our student offer includes the foundation degree in health and social care, our level 4 and 5 assistant practitioner course and our healthcare science course.
The staff are really skilled.
It encouraged me to focus on different fields I didn't know about.
We are here 100% to support the students.
It's really important to not just teach them the academic side, but to also give them that exposure to the industry environment.
That they need to progress into different careers in healthcare and health and life sciences.
We're getting the full idea of what it's like to be in the healthcare industry.
We've got a 4-bed simulated health and care environment.
Blood pressure machines, oximeters, we have hoists for moving and handling, side sheets for moving patients, and wheelchairs and all the facilities that you need.
We have a range of mannequins on the ward. This includes a weighted mannequin, interactive models that measure physiological measurements and create that real patient-facing focus for students when they're in there.
It's very rare that you would ever find a clean room environment in an academic setting.
We're using state-of-the-art science equipment.
The clean room has got many pieces of equipment that's going to help learners be able to be trained on things that they might not be exposed to until they hit industry.
And it just overall makes our skills develop and constantly improve.
The health science industry is one of the biggest employers in the region, and we've geared everything we do here to meet and exceed their needs.
The spot we're getting here, it's a lot like being in an actual workplace.
Get to experience what it's like to work while in an educational environment.
It really embeds those up-to-date industry skills that students need to stand out from the crowd.
I want to be a paramedic.
I want to be an occupational therapist.
I want to do an apprenticeship in science manufacturing.
I don't know what I want to do, but I know where I want to start.